Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create this light pink 2-tier floral cake. I'll be using an 8-inch base tier and a 6-inch top tier for this creation. This is a 6-inch I've started with, and I have a cake board sitting underneath this cake, if you can see right at the bottom there, that little brownish layer. Whenever you're working with tiered cakes, you want to make sure that each cake that goes above has a cake board underneath. This was filled with cream cheese frosting, so I created a dam around the outside of each layer with buttercream. Cream cheese frosting is a little bit on the soft side, so I was worried that it was going to seep out the sides. You can avoid that by creating a dam. Create a crumb coat, just a thin layer all around the cake to trap in the crumbs, and then pop it into the fridge for 20 minutes. Do the same thing with your bottom tier. This was the 8-inch, I believe. It's been in the fridge for 20 minutes, so it's nice and set. I'm going to apply my final layer of buttercream, which has been tinted pink by Soft Pink Gel Food Color, which is by Chef Master. Pop some buttercream into any little pockets and then continue to smooth until you are happy with the finish. I'm going to grab my nice long spatula and just drag that top lip towards the middle. Do the same for your top tier, and then into the fridge they both go. If you can keep it there overnight, awesome. If not, just pop the top tier into the freezer for 15 minutes because we are going to be handling it with our hands later. Into the bottom tier, I am adding 5 bubble tea straws, 1 in the middle and then a square basically around that. And then with a little bit of buttercream, I'm sticking the 2 tiers together. If you guys are interested, there is a 2-tier cake decorating class, and I'll link that in the description box below for you. Make sure you're happy with the position, and then calmly and gently pull out that spatula. I also like to pipe a little ring of thin frosting at the base, and then I'll smooth it out, and it just creates a seamless look where you can't see the gap between the 2 tiers. Into the cake, I am adding some fake material flowers. You can use the Glad wrap or a straw for the stems so that it doesn't touch the inside of the cake, so you can wrap the stem in Glad wrap and then push it in. A lot of these flowers though did not enter the cake per se, they were being held in by the other flowers. Arrange flowers however you see fit, and then create a bit of a shimmer by dusting the outside of the cake with a nice glitter edible shimmer. I also sealed it off with a little ribbon at the base, and the cake is complete. If you guys would like to check out our classes, I will leave a link to those in the description box for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.